Torgbui Wenya the third, who is now known as the Dutor of Anlo, said his dream is to help the Awomofia of Anlo and the chiefs to have a university built in the Anlo state. He noted that it was very necessary and important to have a university in the Anlo land, especially an ICT-based one which can help equip the youth in that field. Torgbui Wenya the third asked for unity among the Anlo chiefs and the people in order to have the needed development rightly deserved by the land. He urged everyone to forget about any kind of conflict and unnecessary issues that does not bring development to the land and rather focus on the goal to have a better Anlo. He pledged to work in collaboration with the Awomofia of the Anlo state and other chiefs to achieve the needed development for the area.
ICT, robotic engineering, coding, plumbing of Anlo State University.
Mrs. Confidence, now known as Mama Abui Buiekpor II, said, as a developmentally inclined woman, women empowerment will be her vision. She noted that women empowerment is very important for Anlo women and girls, and so will do everything humanly possible to make sure that her women and girls are well empowered. Mamaga Abui Buiekpor II also pledged to make sure that every child in the Anlo state is well educated, with a focus on the girl child. The Dutor of Alakble, Torgbui the third, noted that Torgbui Wenya the third is a great man of the land from the rightful clan chosen by the rightful kingmakers of the Lape clan. The ceremony was under the supervision of the paramount chief of Kiko, Torgbui and was attended by very high-profile personalities from the media, showbiz and movie industries, traditional leaders, families of the new outdoor king and queen, and a host of indigenes of the land.